Bloodborne. It's
Oh man.
freaky.
Wow. What a dodge. Wow, you can even see their faces change as they like attack you. Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
Better on, squirrel.
I'm doing that.
Yuck, yuck.
I just threw a pebble. That's a torch.
Sounds pretty hot.
What? I just killed myself.
How'd you do that?
I pressed triangle.
Yeah, that's what I did, and it didn't work for me before.
That's weird.
Oh. Crazy.